This is where the rich people are. Mga houses na nakikita natin worth more than $1 million. Welcome to La Jolla Cove, guys. So this is one of the major tourist spots here in San Diego. Famous for its scenic views.
Ay, napakaganda.
The Sea Lions of San Diego. Yeah, I love your car. I get excited whenever I see that the car is Tesla. We don't really have this in the Philippines. So what did you learn in the Philippines?
Wow, wow, we. Wow, wow, we.
Oh my God! Mahal kita.
Wow.
Oh, that means I love you.
That means
I love you. Mahal kita.
Sa Filipino term.
Yeah.
Chinese
It's Waaini. It's so nice meeting you, Shara. It's nice meeting you again, Andre. I wish this would not be the last time. Hello guys! Kumusta kayong lahat? This is Dave, the Kuripo Traveler, at nandito tayo ngayon sa San Diego, California. It's our last day and kagaling lang natin sa Old Town San Diego. Ito, Old Town pa rin to. We explored the Old Town, somehow bumalik sa past. So ngayon pupuntan natin yung tinatawag nilang La Jolla. La Jolla, L-A-J-O-L-L-A. Yan yung pinaka-nereko sa atin ng friends natin na nakapag San Diego na, La Jolla. Yung isa, taga-Philippines siya. Shoutout kay Elijah. Taga-UP din. Nakilala natin siya sa UP. So sabi niya, don't miss out La Jolla. So sinearch natin, napakaganda nga. Nandun yung beach, yung waters. Tapos I think pwede din tayo makita daw ng sea lion sa La Jolla. Tapos yung friend ko naman na si Andre, American from Chicago. Sabi niya yung most memorable or pinaka-mareko niya talaga yung La Jolla. So ngayon pupunta tayo sa La Jolla. Ngayon free day kasi natin ngayon. Mamayang alas 5 yung goodbye session natin. So it's been a chill trip actually. Pinaka first day, nagkaroon ng welcome dinner. Then, nung second day, Sunday yon, we bonded with our kababayans from Eastern Samar. And then, kahapon, Monday, nag-whale watching tayo. I mean, nag-cruise tayo sa dagat at nakakita ng sea lion, dolphin, pero wala yung whale talaga. Alam mo yung malaking whale, hindi natin nakita yon. So kung kayo ay magta-travel in the Philippines, US, anywhere else in the world, you can book your activities, travel items on Klook and use my promo code DaveGinoKlook para maka-discount kayo. Kung magbubook naman kayo ng inyong hotel sa Agoda, you can use my code DaveAgoda para maka-discount din kayo, okay? So eto, binibiyayan natin ang This is San Diego. Diyan si Mama, siya yung +1 ko. Uber lang tayo dito. Bayad naman to ng company. So this is an all expense paid trip. Ganda naman dito. Puno ng puno. La Jolla na tayo. Medyo nagta-traffic pala dito. Kasi this is a major tourist spot, yung La Jolla. Tesla. Ay, ang ganda. Scenic view indeed. Okay.
Thank you guys.
Thank you so
Have a good
much.
day.
Thank you. Yes, for sure.
You're welcome.
We'll enjoy it here.
Yeah. Don't forget anything, okay?
Yes. Wow, welcome to La Jolla. So ito, may mga sea lion. Ito yung amoy ng sea lion, medyo mabaho. Ay, may birds. I think amoy ng birds. Look. Anong klaseng ibon kaya yan? Pero ang baho, my gosh. Welcome to La Jolla Cove, guys. So this is one of the major tourist spots here in San Diego. Famous for its scenic views. Tingnan nyo naman. And of course, the marine. Diverse marine life. Di ko sure kung anong klaseng ibon to. Sure akong may sea lions. Tingnan natin yung sea lions. Ayun, zinom ko. May mga sea lions doon, guys. Nakakita tayo niyan kahapon kasi nag-cruise tayo. Look. Ito yung bungad sa atin dito. Kumusta, Ma? Anong masabi mo sa La Jolla Cove?
Ay, napakaganda.
Bakit napakaganda?
Ayan, maraming birds, sea lions, tourists.
Ayun o, naglalaway sila. Nakikilangoy. Nakikilangoy yung sila yun sa mga tao.
Saan?
Ayan. Nawala na. Pero lumalangoy yung sila yun with the people. Oo nga, tourist spot siya. Medyo maamoy. Baba daw tayo, baba tayo. Grabe, na-overwhelm ako sa dami ng hayop. Their natural habitat. Hindi ito zoo ha, like natural na natural. Magpapakita sila dito. Amazing. Oo, di sila camera shy, di sila nagtatago. Kahapon yung wheel talaga. Ay, yun talaga naabangan natin eh. Yung wheel, pero wala tayong nakita. Pero at least ngayon, mas maraming sila yon. So nakikita natin dito sa La Jolla Cove. Marami ding cafe dito guys. Cafe, tas ayan may hotel pa nga dito eh. La Jolla Cove Hotel. Tara. Let's explore. No selfies with sea lion. Guys, bawal mag-selfie ah. Ayan, sabi dito no selfies. Sea lions and seals are protected by federal law. It's illegal to disturb them. Enjoy watching them in a safe, responsible way. Yeah, ayun. So, bawal makipag-picture sa kanila. Bawal silang guluhin. So, let's just watch them from a safe and responsible place. Ganda. Pwede tayong bumaba dito eh. Remember, this is a reserve. Do not take anything from here, including sand, shells, rocks, or anything living. Okay? So, bawal dito magdala. Bawal tayo magbitbit ng sand, rocks. So, dito pa may pamilya. Yung isang grupo dyan may dalang pet. Isang family. Tapos, nagtatampisaw na mga bata. Let's go! Yung iba nasa taas lang. Dito lang sila sa taas nagsasightseeing. Pero si mama gusto yung bumaba. Bakit mama gusto yung bumaba? Closer view?
Closer to the nature.
Closer to the nature.
Closer to the water.
Closer to the waters. It's illegal to disturb the sea lions. Let's go! Wow. Amoy dagat na. This is San Diego waters. Nakaboots pa tayo. Well, nakasapatos din naman yung iba. Bawal dito kumuha ng ng mga sandstone rocks. Sige, picturean kita. Bawal silang lapitan talaga. So, picture lang tayo dito. Pero ay nakakita na tayo ng sea lions na nagpapahinga. Sige, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, more. Sige. Look. Closer view ng sea lions. Bawal silang gambalain, guys. Resting pretty lang sila dyan. Gusto ni mama pumasok dito sa cove. May kuweba dito. Dito na lang. Kasi, bayan ka sapatos, nakaboots kita. Nakaboots tayo. At least nakita lang natin dito. Do you want a photo?
Yeah.
Sige. Madaming langaw dito. Or langaw ba? Pero kakaiba yung itsura ng langaw dito. Sayang di ko nakuha yung itsura ng langaw. Pero may mga insektong nakadikit sa sa mga sea lion. Langaw ba to? Mukhang langaw, no? Ibang variant ng langaw. Tama, mga langaw. Sa mga scientist dyan. Sa mga insect enthusiast, langaw ba yun? Ngayon ka mama, pa-picture. Ito, dinitikitan tayo ng langaw. Ay, eto. Sitting pretty lang. Lying pretty lang yung isang sea lion dito. Saya ng buhay niya, no? Relax lang siya. Na medyo nilalangaw. May mga activities din dito. Kita ko may mga nagkakayak. Ayun, no? Tapos may sea lions na nagsiswim. Yeah. Harmless naman yung mga sea lion dito. Gusto ko yung may mga naglalangoy. Tatampisaw na kids. Guys, lakad. Okay. Let's go. Is nakapag nakalapit tayo sa sea lion. Ayun, no. Wait lang. Mabidyan ko la. Ayan, no. The Sea Lions of San Diego.
The sea lions are kissing
Kissing.
each other. Look at that.
Ang lalandi naman ng sea lions. Siya rin. Baka playful lang talaga sila with one another. Wala namang mali siya. Ayun. La Jolla. A quick trip to La Jolla. May restroom din. May restroom ka? Sige, let's wait for each other dito sa labas. Malapit lang sa cove. May restroom. Ito may all gender restroom. Diyan ka na lang. Okay. Dito, men. Ay, ayan, may park. View. Scenic view ng San Diego from La Jolla. Tapos ito may park. Lakad-lakad lang yung mga tao around. When they say na napaka-laid back ng San Diego, it's so true. Everywhere we go, laid back yung vibe. Di ko sure kung tourist season ngayon, pero very laid back. La Jolla Cove. Ganda dito. Ganda, no?
Ang ganda. Ang lawak ng garden.
Lawak ng garden.
So refreshing.
Pwedeng mag-picnic. Buti kasi hindi ganun kalamig. Yung weather, aircon weather. Kung may time tayo tapos picnic mat, pwede dito. As in. Tapos alam ko, nabasa ko dami ding restos, cafes around. Yun, kita ko nga ibang cafes. Tara. Ito artwork. May nagtitinda dito ng artwork. Ito pa, oh. Ito. May caution pala dito. Do not approach seals or sea lion. They can bite. So agitated sea lions may attack. Harassing them is against the law. Okay, ayun pa. Madami pa from here. So bawal silang iharas. Against the law siya. Tapos, careful tayo. Do not approach them talaga kasi they can attack or bite. Delix. Ganda naman dito. Okay. How do you feel about this afternoon, Mother? Going to La Jolla Cove?
Yeah, I feel better.
Better, why?
It's closer to the nature.
Closer to the nature. So, mas enjoy mo yung closer to the nature. Mas
That's
enjoy mo ba to
right.
kaysa
With
sa old
fresh
San
air.
Diego?
Yeah.
Bakit mo to mas enjoy?
I can see the sea,
The sea,
the birds,
the birds.
the sea lions.
Okay, mas manisure
Some
talaga si
tourists.
Mother.
Of
Yeah.
course,
The scenic view.
garden, the scenic view around.
True. Ganda. Ganda ng area.
Yeah, with free washrooms.
Free CR, free use of toilet. Parang di ganun ka-prevalent yung public transportation dito sa San Diego. So, nasa $64 yung pamasahe natin. Dalhin ko na din kayo sa Coronado Island kung nasan yung accommodation natin. Ay, may goodbye session tayo with our colleagues. Okay, naka-Tesla. Hello, good afternoon. Dave? Annie. Yes. Annie.
How are you?
Great. How about you? How are you?
Good, thanks.
Good. Yeah, I love your car. I get excited whenever I see that the car is Tesla. We don't really have this in the Philippines.
So there's not much Teslas in the Philippines?
Yeah. Not much Teslas in the Philippines. So, every time I get a Tesla for Uber, I get excited. Last Sunday, we also rode a Tesla. I didn't know first how to open the the door. Yeah, it's not the usual. This is still La Jolla, right?
This is La Jolla.
This is La Jolla. And lots of restaurants around, shops. So this is also called the Jewel of San Diego, La Jolla. Yeah, hotels.
A lot of nice restaurants.
Yeah, lots of nice restaurants. Pakita ko lang sa inyo guys. Kasi may appointment tayo ng 5.
They have a music and arts library.
Ayun na, may mga restaurants. Okay din siguro dito sa gabi. Guys, nakakasosyal yung area na to. I swear. Oo, like tourist spot. Expensive area.
I think it's the most expensive area in San Diego.
Oh, most expensive area in San Diego. We were also on an Uber. We were on an Uber earlier and she told me she had a passenger and the house that he was from was worth $34 million. In La Jolla. Yeah, so that's how expensive this place is. The most expensive place in San Diego. These houses are for sure worth more than $1 million. Itong mga houses na nakikita natin. Or more. Okay, yung mga houses daw sa top. Kasi may nakita tayong mga millionaire's place, correct? Yan, yung mga houses sa may dulo. Very expensive houses. This is where the rich people are. And yeah, very nice view. What is that area that we see right now? On the other side? Still La Jolla?
That one right there?
Yeah,
It's La Jolla, yes.
still La Jolla. Okay. We're back in Coronado Island. Ito na yung pa-dinner. Last goodbye with our colleagues. Last dinner with our colleagues in this beautiful island. Daming food. Real flowers.
Genuine roses.
So what did you learn in the Philippines?
Wow, wow, wee, wee, wee. Wow, wee, 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 wee. Wow, wow, wee.
Oh my God! Do you know who sang that song? He's an entertainer in the Philippines and is running for the Senate right now. Yeah, so entertainers are running for Senate right now. Mahal kita.
Wow.
That means I love you.
That means
I love you. Mahal kita.
Sa Filipino term.
Yeah.
Chinese is
It's Waaini.
Annie.
Waaini. Oh my gosh, that's so great.
Hebrew.
Ani Oherota.
Ani Ohevotach.
Ani Ohevotach.
Ani it's I.
Ani.
Ohev it's love.
Ohev.
Ani Ohev.
Ani Ohev.
Otach it's you.
Otak.
Ani Ohev Otach.
Ani Ohev Otak. Oh, Ani Ohev Otak. Oh, I love it. Ani Ohev Otak.
So we're from Israel.
Waaini.
Yeah.
Wa
is
I.
I.
I love.
Waai ni.
You.
Yeah, Waaini.
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 Oh my God! You're so Asian. Israel is Asia, right? Yeah.
You can say
Taiwanese.
Ani mucho.
What is mucho? I love you more.
In Spanish, it's like more.
More.
In Spanish.
Ah.
Mucho gracias.
Muchas
You
gracias.
can say 我更爱你
I love you more.
I love you.
Wait, you guys are already married, right? Yeah. Oh, yeah, you're already married. Okay. I thought you were
This
just...
was my proposal right now. Because you were vlogging, I said why not?
Already married. You introduced her yesterday as your wife.
So you're from China?
Proposal. Scenario.
Okay, רגע.
I want to see Jeff do this. Does Jeff know how to do this?
He's like, well, I need.
Do you tell each other wa'aini or I love you?
We speak in English.
You speak in English.
Mahal kita.
Mahal kita.
You can teach you.
Mahal kita.
I know.
Oh my gosh. Salamat po. I love it. You guys know a lot.
He hosted the whole thing.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's me. Yeah, in Florida.
He's an
It was me.
entertainer.
Not an entertainer. I just hosted it because I'm in the car. I'm in the car told us to do it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And when Mirko says, we do.
It's 9:54. Thank you guys. This is not third wheeling. This is hanging out.
Exactly.
Because I told her earlier, thank you guys for I'm the third wheel today. It's so nice meeting you, Shara. It's nice meeting you again, Andre. I wish this would not be the last time. This would not be the last time.
Exactly.
Hello guys. Umaga na. I mean, 4 a.m. Di na tayo nakapag-close ng vlog kagabi. Kasi diretso, pagpasok ko ng room, nag-laptop ako, then tulog. Papunta na tayo sa Vancouver ngayon. Okay? Alright. Wala nang naiwan. Sige, tara. One last bye sa room natin na naging home since Saturday. Ito na. Kalisa talaga tayo. Let's go. Punta na tayong airport. So, I hope kayo kayo ng idea kung saan kayo pwede pumunta dito sa San Diego. And it was nice also hanging out with our colleagues, getting to know them kagabi. Kasi yung iba kagabi ko lang din talaga nakausap talaga. So, yun guys. Sana makabalik tayo dito. Sana magkita-kita ulit kami ng mga katrabaho ko in another company event. Nag-check out na us. Ay, I will miss exiting this hotel. Ang short, but very sweet. This is Dave, guys, the Kuriko Traveler. Let's live our best lives. Bye-bye.